Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a customer portal app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then, you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, building a customer portal app in Glide is a straightforward process, essential for anyone running an online business. Begin by navigating to the left menu of Glide and clicking the Templates option. You will then find yourself on the template page where all your existing templates reside. To access the template store, select the Template Store option. This will take you to the Templates library, an area where templates are neatly categorized for your convenience. There is also a search bar for specific template searches. In our case, we are searching for a customer portal app template. We enter customer in the search bar and select from the results. For this tutorial, we'll choose the first option, customer portal. On the next page, you'll find two options, create this app and preview. To move forward, we'll click Create this app. You'll be taken to an editor where the app can be customized. Here, you will find a top bar with three options: Data, Layout, and Action. Under Data, you can customize the app's data, user details, product categories, and more, housed in tables on the left side. Layout allows you to modify the navigation and product settings of the app. It also enables you to preview the app in mobile and desktop formats. Using Actions, you can add multiple steps into a custom workflow. Upon completing the customizations, click Publish at the top right corner of the editor. After publishing the app, a Share button appears. Clicking on it gives you options to share the app via QR code, link, or by inviting users through their email. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments as best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.